Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the new recruitment, that is SPCL, and what was the eligibility and how you can apply these and what was the salary. All these things we will discuss in this video, and if you have any doubt, do mention in comment box, and if you want one-to-one interaction, do join our Telegram channel. Let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, HPCL has released the notification about the graduate apprentice training, and what was the basic requirement that they have mentioned that the graduate apprentice trainee for the degree of engineering, civil, mechanical, electrical, electronic, as well as electronic and telecommunication, instrumentation, computer science and IT. So all these branches are eligible for this. And what was the important date? Then the commencement of online application will be start from 22nd of November and end date was 6th of December 2021. Going ahead with the basically eligibility, so these branches which I have mentioned, the civil, mechanical, electrical, electronic and telecommunication, instrumentation as well as computer science. And what was the age limit? Minimum age was 18 and maximum age was 25. If you have crossed that limit, then you are not eligible to apply that particular category. So and age relaxation is also given for the SC, ST as well as EWS and PWD candidate. And what was the year stipend? They will provide 25,000 per month as per the mention in advertisements. So going ahead with the further, these are the apprentice, this is not the permanent position, so you need to aware of that. Basically these after 1 year you need to leave that job and you need to try with the other organization. This is valid only for the fresher candidate who haven't any type of experience as of now. Ahead with the selection process, the candidate fulfilling the above mentioned eligibility shall be called for the interview process. There is no written paper, you need to go with the interview process. And management reserve right to restrict the number of candidates to be called for the interview, which is tentatively scheduled on the month of January 2022. All India merit is drawn on the basis of academic result of engineering degree as well as score of interview. Final offer of the apprenticeship training will be provided to the clearing the medical test along with the interview as well as eligibility criteria. They have mentioned few cases over here, and if you belonging to that, then you need to go, else you need to skip it. So basically you need to remember few important points. Once you complete this organization training for the 1 year of apprenticeship, then you are eligible for the any further recruitment given by the HPCL. You have a weightage of 5% which they have mentioned over here. So going ahead, if any recruitment is happening at the end of the HPCL, then you will give a weightage first other than the new candidate who is applying for that particular position. So in my opinion, you need to go for that particular apprenticeship training because it's helping this duration along with that experience, and you will get the opportunity at the further if any of the new recruitment is happening at the end of the HPCL. So that's all for this video, and if you need any other information, do mention in comment box. If you like our video, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.